one boy I been a man, they say this boy never come out from in class. The primary one where this boy did, now there he dey since for the past 15 years. You no surprise on that. How person go there for one class for 15 whole good years? If say you even go use and learn mechanic, in fact, if you don't even graduate, come out. You can't decide, say, you want the learn, so there you go come out from that class. I don't understand, my people, as we gather this information, we even hear, say, people were there inside this class with this boy. Some of them don't turn to doctor. Some don't turn to pilot. In fact, the boy class teacher. In teacher. Now even in classmates for that. Hey! This one really is daughter too. Oh, the daughter pata. Because I don't know someone take grade this kind of thing. When be say your teacher don't come up from school, una 2 days primary one together, she don't graduate, finish secondary school, finish university, come back when they teach you. If you like say this one, your village people don't come up from your matter because I don't understand how I want to explain them. I don't know who they do you. Hey, the thing surprise me. People beg, make na easy na eye, see for yourself.
Sorry, Jenny, bagirwa.
Hari gihe wibagirwa.
Serereza bakanyita muzehe ariko rakumva narivamo. Ari baraserereza ngo bakanyita nkandi muzehe.
They always troll and bully me saying I'm the old man. People keep discouraging me each and every day. Even some teachers who phone me at this school say that I'm soon getting my pension. They say I'm too old and soon reaching the retirement age. All that makes me think of dropping out. But then I remember I promised myself that I'll do whatever it takes, then graduate. Maybe it will take too long, but I'm sure one day I'll wear a gown and make my parents proud.
Rakuzaba umuperezida.
I want to be a president after graduating. I'm confident enough that one day I'll be a president to this country. I have to work hard in class and learn more about politics so that I'll be a good leader. And I know that God will help me.
They're 21 years old. Hey, this one surprised me. Now here then these people don't suppose no say this one no be say anything they want here. Now medical because look the person, you know they grow. As he short now, so maybe in brain don't stop for where in age stop for. I be for where in height stop for. Maybe now waiting make I no grow again. Because person will be like this. Now suppose don't know say now something they call something. And aside school things, they say if you send themselves for house, say, oh girl, go buy sugar. This boy go buy Omo come. Confusion upon confusion. They don't, in fact, they don't destroy this boy brain. I don't know what's inside this boy brain. Because they say any small thing don't forget. If you tell her this one, the fit teacher and fine, but within 5 minutes, oh girl don't forget again. Now, in fact, this principal for this school, they don't even try. Because I sure say some school, they go just they do say, I beg just they go. Why some stuff they go even carry your property? 15 years, you know, you graduate. They go don't push you come out. But now here the principal suppose notice say, this boy something they worry him. Some people they need a notebook for school. But carry something, work, like handwork, give them. You go surprise say they go be expert. But the thing where they contest, this boy they very good at. They be na here. Say he know they late. He know, in fact, he like school so before he don't rush. Now they suppose not say this boy maybe na in passion be na get man work they go appoint give up for the school making they do because I don't know what they won't give her now. All these 15 years now we don't waste. If say these parents when they pay school fees unko, that means na money just they waste because fine na in passion but maybe in brain maybe people wey don't watch what they even call them like stars on earth. And I go know say he get one boy so we be like this. If it be that kind of condition na they worry this boy. Maybe if they see A in the CZ. So they suppose carry and go one kind of hospital, be therapist, maybe go follow and talk, understand, say something they really worry this boy. Because some people will even be graduates, not be everybody they get sense. The boy can say he won't be president. I pray say he will be president. Make I not mention him. Some presidents they don't even go to school. And they become president. So you self your dream if you come true. You feel come become president one day. But I beg, don't be by force say you go school. Go find work too. Leave this and work where they do. People don't turn minister. Your classmates, they don't turn minister. They don't turn president. They don't become things. You can't decide, say this primary one, and there you won't die put. School not be by force. So. In fact, some schools have na scam. You go finish school self to even see work. So I gotta beg. Make I advise you and your parents. Better they go find the necessary thing to do. Be na work, they won't go open for you. Be na shop. But they just do one. Stop to they waste your time, waste your energy, because by the time when you go come out from this primary one, maybe by that time you don't turn 80 years. And no kind of here by then the school go even stay there in existence. Because this one I know they even understand. My people, I hear this one, I consider make I bring and reach in aside, make na service na here waiting they happen. Make na not forget to like and also share this video so that everybody said they see what they yarn about. I go see you on our next video.